Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial, and in this following tutorial I'm gonna let you guys know how can you fix login error on Dollar General app. If you're having issue with the Dollar General app or login issue, then you could follow the steps. When you're having a login error, then what you can do is sometimes you must have entered a wrong credentials. You could try rechecking, and then you could also go ahead and log in once again. They should be able to fix it. Likewise, if that's not the case, then you could also go ahead and check your internet connection. Sometimes slow internet can cause login errors, or else you could also, if you've forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password on the sign in screen on the Dollar General. We'll send you an email with a link to reset your password. So if this is not working out, you could also try updating or clearing your cache, as well as installing and uninstalling and reinstalling the application. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.